Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I just finished another CVS haul and a small Dollar General haul, and these are the items that I picked up today. So let's get into the details. So for CVS, I picked up the Tide, the Downy Unstoppables, Crest, two Oral-B toothbrushes, the Scope mouthwashes, the Chigorex, and two CVS toothbrushes. So these two, I had a $2 off coupon from CVS for buying any CVS oral care item, and I couldn't find anything else, so I just picked up the two toothbrushes. So I placed an online order, and then this was $0 order. I just had to pick this up, and these are absolutely free, so I'll pop that receipt for you to refer. And the other items I picked in store, so I did two deals, I should say. I did the spend 30 get 10, so I picked up the Tide and Downy and Crest and the two Oral-B, and these items totaled me more than $30, so I could get $10 in extra bucks. And the two Scope are not part of spend 30, but each Scope is giving back $3 extra buck back, and the Chigorex is giving $5 extra buck back. So I did all these products today. So let's get into the details. So for the first transaction, for spend 30 get 10, I picked up these items. So I picked up a piece of candy. So the first one is a piece of candy which was not part of any deal, but I just picked it up for my kid. And then the first item for spend 30 transaction was this Downy, priced at $6.99, and there is a Downy digital coupon for $2 manufacturer coupon. And then the next item was Tide, which was originally priced at $12.99, but now it has a $3 digital coupon. So after that $3 digital coupon on Tide, you will be left to pay just $9.99. So $9.99 for this and $4.99 for this. But when we look at the spend 30 threshold, it actually takes this original price into account. So these two totaled around $20. I needed 10 more to meet the $10 threshold. So for that I added the Crest and the two Oral-B. So the Crest is priced at $3.99. There is a $2 digital. The Oral-B's are priced at $3.99. There is a $2 digital. So we have a $2 digital for Crest toothpaste. We have $2 digital for Oral-B toothbrush. We have a $5 off 3 oral care products. And the way it works is you should have those many products in your cart so that at least one coupon can attach to each of the items. So one attached to the toothpaste, one attached to the toothbrush. I had one extra, so this 5 of 3 oral care items got attached to this. And these three, if you add them, $3.99 each, they are approximately $12. So these three, along with the Tide and the Downy, totaled me more than 30, and I was able to get $10 extra bucks back on this. And then the two Scopes were giving back $3 each as extra bucks, so I picked up two. There's a limit of two. So there is a $1 digital coupon, but for me it did not come up. So they are priced at $4.99 each, and so you'll spend $9.98, but you'll get back $6 in extra bucks for buying two Scope. And if you club this Scope with the Crest spend 30 kind of a deal, you can achieve the 4 of 20 scenario and also meet the spend 30 requirement. So I added the two Scope here because these other oral care items were here, and I had a 4 of 20. So I had to ensure that the oral care items are about 20, so I can get that $4 digital coupon. And here's my 4 of 20 Crest. So in total for the oral care items, I had a $5 coupon, two $2 coupons, and a $4 coupon here. So in total $13 in oral care digital coupons, and $3 for Tide and 2 for Downy. And then I had to roll in around $24 in extra bucks. So here are the extra bucks that I rolled in, and I paid some 52 cents in the end out of pocket. But because I had a piece of candy also which was like 54 cents, so I'll just ignore this 52 cent in the end. And this transaction for me was like $24 in total, and I earned back a $6 extra buck for buying the two Scope 1 liter. You can pick up one or pick up two. I picked up two, so you get $6 extra bucks for that. And then I also got $10 extra bucks for spend 30 get 10, so $16 in extra bucks. And then the ChiggerX, I did a separate transaction. So these ones are, here's my receipt, $6.49 extra bucks, and then I had a 20% off CRT. So after that I was left to pay $5.16, and I earned back a $5 extra buck for this. So ChiggerX, you know, I spent $5.16, got back $5. And for these other items from CVS, I spent $24 and got back 16. So $8 in total, you know, was my CVS cost. But this helped me complete my third transaction with CVS. So on Ibotta, if you visit CVS 3 times and there is a 5% cashback on the items that you have purchased, you'll get a $5 bonus. So I qualified for that bonus because this was my third trip. So those $5 came back. So after removing those 5 from my $8 cost, so this transaction was $3, and then I'll submit my receipt to P&G scanner receipt, because these are all P&G products excluding the ChiggerX. So 4, 5, 6, 7 P&G items. This will give me around $2.35 back from P&G. And for the other transaction on ChiggerX, I'll be getting 5% back from Ibotta, so close to 25 cents from there. So I can say $2.35 and 25 cents here, so approximately $2.60 are going to come back, you know, from Ibotta for this, along with the $5 bonus. So around $7.60 I'll get back, and my cost before Ibotta rebates was $8 including taxes. So all this is less than 50 cents for me, because these two were done as part of the pickup order. They were absolutely free. So everything for less than 50 cents. And then my second transaction was at Dollar General. So I picked up the 3 Mountain Dew, and there are 2 digital coupons. You need to clip those coupons in your app, and those are applying only to few varieties of Mountain Dew. So if you pick up the 12 can red pack, I was trying to find the other one, but for some reason it was out of stock. But even these ones are attaching to those 2 coupons. So we have a $2 coupon and a $4 coupon. I'll pop up that screenshot in this video. And once you add 3 of the Mountain Dews, which are red, you know, the red ones, you'll be left to pay just $6 in total, and including taxes, $6.50, which is a pretty good deal considering these are 12 cans each. So $6.50 for 3 of these. So each one is around $2.17, which is a very good price. So these were my 2 hauls today. Let me know if you guys like this video, and please like, share, comment, and please consider subscribing if you like such videos, and let me know if you were able to score some of these deals. Thank you so much. See you next time.